Saturday, August 3rd, 2024. Focus. The king was sorry, but because of his oaths and his guests, he commanded it to be given. The dilemma of doing the right thing in the face of pressure is a situation we can relate to. I recall my school days when bullying was sometimes rife. It was not just the taunts that hurt, but the silence of those who looked on. They knew it was wrong, yet either joined in or did nothing. It was a painful lesson in the cost of silence and the price of complicity. The story of John the Baptist echoes this conflict between moral integrity and societal pressure. Herod, despite his distress, ordered the beheading of John. He chose image over righteousness, a decision that history sees as an act of great injustice. John became a casualty of Herod's desire to preserve his authority and please those around him. It prompts us to consider our reaction when confronted with the choice to stand by our principles or yield to coercion. The world usually rewards those who conform. It encourages us to compromise our values for gain or acceptance. But each time we give in to these demands, we stray away from our Christian mission. And just like Herod, we sin not only against ourselves, but against a higher divine law. Fruit. When I find myself being swayed to act contrary to my conscience, let me choose to honor my commitment to God's law over the fleeting approval of the world.